GM folks, I am Others and I am building Vity Toolkit. For quite some time, I have added many features and updates in the toolkit. So, Vity Toolkit is a tool library of Web2 and Web3 apps. Okay, basically, it's an SDK which empowers AI agents by providing it multiple apps like GitHub, Notion, etc. So giving you the quick updates of what I have been building for past few time. So very first thing which I have introduced is the API system. Previously we used to just provide the private key of the wallet and get the connections of the apps, but right now you can even provide the API key and it will work the same. You can get the API key by logging to the Vity Toolkit dashboard and go to your profile and just copy this API key and just paste it here and it will work the same. Okay, so the second thing which we have done is to provide the is to make the integration and connection part possible. So in the integration part, it's usually done by the enterprise, where they provide the client ID and client secret of apps like Reddit, Twitter allows the enterprise to set their own data on the OAuth system. So for that we need the integration, and integration is usually done by the enterprise. Then the user can connect through that app. Okay, so usually we do this. So usually this part is done by the enterprise. The second thing is the connections. Now this is actually done by the user. Okay, many apps like Reddit or say GitHub. Okay, the user can just connect the apps by providing their credentials like API keys or say consumer keys. They can just connect the apps directly. So the integration is for the enterprise, enterprise, where the enterprise just give out their data, and after that the connection is done. Or you can just directly connect the app to like if the app gives you the permission for. So at here so let me just show you a quick example of how the connections is done. Let me just go to the get burn run and GitHub connection, and it will just fetch whether the connection is done or not. And yeah, as you can see, the connection status is true. If not, then it will take the GitHub API from the environment and it will just add it in the connection data. So the second thing which we have, so I have added support for 15 plus apps in the Vity toolkit. Like you can connect to Reddit, Tavly, Agent Mail, Pixels, Super Team Earn, Solana Wallet, GiveWord, GitHub, etc. So there are 15 apps in our Vity toolkit. And the last but not the least, we have the support of the NCV. Wait, why I'm pronouncing it wrong. It's MCP. Yeah. So we have added the support for the MCP feature. So you can just connect the MCP in any client of you want. Like if I'm showing the example of the cursor MCP, then you can just load the Vity toolkit at here. Okay, this is the MCP code, and if you just follows the usual pattern, you can connect the Vity toolkit MCP at here. As you can see, there are 59 tools here of the 15 apps. And if I just want to ask show me images of Solana, and then I can just pass it here, and then it will use the LLMs can just interact, or any MCP client can just interact with the given tools. So yeah, let's just wait. So yeah, as you can see, it is running the pixel search photos, which is a tool of Pixels app. Okay, which is a tool of the Pixels app. You can see at here. Okay, I will it support the odd type of API key. This is the example, and these are the supported actions. So it was using the Pixel search photos, and yeah, so it's still running. other than this, we have also support for, like, as you can see, we have like support of LangChain Vercel, and as well as we have like support of Llama Index and OpenAI too. I will just update in the docs very quick. So I was also thinking to add Cloudflare and Leta, but then I got to know that they have discontinued uh, their their development on that, on the framework part. So yeah, we have skipped that. So yeah, as you can see, the MCP is working fine. We have got the images we want. So yeah, that's it from my side. Thank you guys.